The Director General National Emergency Management Agency, Mustapha Habib Ahmed, has called on stakeholders at all levels to respond effectively to disasters as Nigeria witnesses climate change. Dr. Ahmed, who stated this during the launch of the National Contingency Plan in Abuja, said the launch of the plan will not only safeguard lives and livelihoods, but also guide Nigerians in times of crisis. FCT correspondent Naomi Olaribe has details.
In 2021, the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, conducted a nationwide risk analysis on likelihood of disasters and emergencies across the nation. Dr. Mustapha Habib Ahmed, Director General, NEMA, said the National Contingency Plan for the period of 2023 to 2025 is a document produced to curtail the impact of multiple risks by assessing and forecasting dangers people face at the community level.
The exercise was carried out across the geopolitical zones of the country and covered different risks and hazards at the local government areas level, including floods, epidemics, conflict, and violence, amongst others. The objective of the analysis was to identify, assess, and rank risk with a view to understanding related vulnerabilities and capabilities while fostering effective risk management.
Jane Bevan, representative from the United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, UNICEF, in her Good Room message, said emergency preparedness is key to mitigating the impacts of climate change.
After the devastating floods that affected 4.4 million people in Nigeria in 2022, including some 2.6 million children, and displaced around 2.4 million people, this event today highlights the importance of emergency preparedness. To prepare means to avert or lessen the impact of flooding on those living in flood-prone areas. And to prepare, therefore, also means to plan in advance. And therefore, here we are today to review the National Contingency Plan.
Meanwhile, Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, who was represented by Mr. Suleiman Haruna, said the ministry is leading a campaign on orientation so that negative attitudes towards disaster management is addressed.
Today's launch is timely as it resonates with the government's drive to protect citizens from all risks to their well-being, including security, displacement, epidemics, and conflict. The plan evaluated 12 different risks, including flooding, health epidemics, and conflict, with a plan to mitigate their impact. Some of these risks are natural, while others are caused by humans.
NEMA further called for partnership with other stakeholders to ensure resources are evenly distributed across the country, especially with the current economic situation. From the nation's capital, Naomi Olaribe, ADBN News.